हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स बिजनेस हेल्पलाइन चैनल को आपण मान बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज आम देखा 11 टू आरंभ करी 28 पर्यंत 20 जनवरी पर्यंत बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट 80 करंट अफेयर्स जोटा कि आपण मान कंपेटिटिव एग्जाम जेकोसी एग्जाम दउछन आपण एसएससी रेलवेज ओबीसी ओएसएससी ओ ट्रिपल एसएस टीचिंग जेकोसी एग्जाम दउछन त आपण पई हेल्पफुल रहबा। चलो स्टार्ट करिया। एक नंबर क्वेश्चन, यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह इनॉग्रेटेड NIDMS in New Delhi. What is the problem NIDMS? National Improvised Explosive Device Data Management System. Next, the Indian Railways has decided to discontinue which attire as its official formal dress code, जोटा कि black coat और बंदगला. Next, which new platform has been launched by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting on DD News to promote digital creators? Creators Corner. Who won the Rapid Open title at the Tata Steel Chess India 2026 tournament? Nihal Sarin. Who won the women's title at Tata Steel Chess India 2026 tournament? Katerina Lagno. Which city is hosting the final of the second Women's Hockey Indian League? Ranchi. Where was the 70th Distinguished Railway Service Award 2025 ceremony held? New Delhi. In which city is the 58th Senior National Kho-Kho Championship being organized? Kajipet, that is in Telangana. Next, which three countries have decided to collaborate on the building an energy exchange by laying underwater power cables? India, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. German Chancellor Friedrich Merz is on his first bilateral visit to India. Which two Indian cities will he visit? Ahmedabad and Bengaluru. Which state government has launched a clean water campaign using robotic technology and GIS mapping to monitor drinking water pipelines? Madhya Pradesh. Who won the gold medal in the men's 60 kg category at the National Boxing Championship? Mohammed Hasamuddin. Which cough syrup was banned by the Telangana Drug Control Administration due to the ethylene glycol contamination? Almond kid syrup. Which state's chief electoral officer launched the book A Call facility for voter to directly speak with booth level officer BLOs? Uttar Pradesh. Which country will host the BRICS summit in 2026? India. Pakistan and United States recently started which joint anti-terrorism exercise in Punjab province inspired Gambit 2026. Which cricketer has become the fastest player to score 20,000 runs in international cricket? Virat Kohli. Who won the women's single title at the Brisbane International Tennis Tournament 2026? Aryan Sabalenka. What is the name of the ISRO's first mission of the year 2026 to launch the Earth Observation Satellite EOSN-1 PSLV-C62? Prashant Tamang, who passed away recently, was the winner of which reality show? Indian Idol Season 3? Who is the author of the biography The Life and the Legacy of Arun Jaitley? Sumant Batra. Which state government has decided the year 2026 as Krishak Kalyan Varsh? Madhya Pradesh. Under proposed telecom scrutiny requirements, the central government asked smartphone companies to provide access to what for testing in Indian labs? Source code. Which missile with high-level attack capability on moving target was recently tested by DRDO? Man Probable Anti-Tank Guided Missile MPATGM. Pax Silica recently in the news is a strategic alliance led by which country for cooperation on semiconductors, critical minerals and AI? United States of America. Which state election commission stopped the advanced disbursal of the Ladki Bahin scheme, citing in the Model Code of Conduct? Maharashtra. As per the SBI report, what is the credit deposit CD ratio in Indian banks as of December 2025? 82%. Which Indian city is hosting the Yonex Sunrise India Open Super 750 badminton tournament in January 2026? New Delhi. What new facility has Germany announced for the Indian passport holders? Visa P transit. A satyagraha rally against the policies of the centre was recently organized by the Chief Minister of which state? Kerala. Which state military civilian integration exercise was conducted by the Indian Army under the Southern Command? Sanjay Shakti. Which Indian Airlines has recently become a member of the International Air Transport Association IATA? Akash Air. Which major lunar mission does NASA plan to launch in February 2026 with four-member crew? Artemis 2. Which state government or UT government has approved a carbon credit monetization framework to generate revenue from the initiatives? That is Delhi. The Bihar government announced cashless treatment up to what amount for victim of road accident on highway and rural roads? 1.5 lakh rupees. Which central ministry prohibited quick commerce platform from the using the 10-minute delivery claim? Ministry of Labour and Employment. Who launched the drug-free campus campaign at Delhi University? Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan. Okay. The Bihar government launched home-based property re-registration for senior citizens above which age? 80 years. Who has been appointed as the head coach of the Indian men's boxing team for a third stint? C.A. Kuttappa. Which university has been granted the status of the Center of Excellence in Disability Education by the Rehabilitation Council of India? Jamia Millia Islamia. ओके ଆପଣ ଯଦି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ତା ସହିତ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସୋର୍ଟ ଇ ବୁକ୍ର ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଇ ବୁକ୍ର ଗୋଟେ ସିଷ୍ଟମରେ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣମାନେ OSSC କିମ୍ବା OSSS ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ସ ଆପଣମାନେ कौन करेंगे परचेज करेंगे आमठू है आपंकर लाटेस्ट सिलेबस अनुजाई आम सब डिजाइन करूँ आपको फुल गाइडेंस मिल टेलीग्राम ग्रुप मिल आपको वीडियो कोर्सेस भी मिल एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल अच्छे आपड़ केमती पाइपर ये कोर्स गुड़ा देखो यहाँ मन आप वीडियो देखुं तलू तलू आपने पलैबे पढ़ला आपको ये गोटे कमेंट सेक्शन देखा सबुठ आम लिंक गुड़ा आपको देदेचु आप खाली क्लिक करेंगे पाइबे सहित विभिन्न एग्जाम गुड़ा भी आप फ्री अच्छे आपने ट्राए करेंगे ओके नेक्स्ट who has been appointed as the new Director General DG of the Border Security Force BSF? Praveen Kumar. Which traditional Indian street chief recently completed a voyage from the Porbandar, Gujarat to Muscat, Oman? INSP Kandinya. Next, which two countries are hosting the ICC Under-19 Men's Cricket World Cup 2026? Zimbabwe and Namibia. Which state government announced the Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana to provide cashless treatment up to 10 lakh? Punjab. Who has been appointed as the Director General of National Investigation Agency NIA, that is Rakesh Agarwal. Who is the newly appointed Chief of the Indo-Tibetan Border Policy ITBP? Satyajit Singh Kapoor. In which city was the main parade of the 78th Army Day held? Jaipur. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court? Justice Sujoy Paul. Which team won the men's and women's title respectively at the 50th Senior National Kho-Kho Championship 2026? Railways men and Maharashtra women. Where did Union Home Minister Amit Shah lay the foundation stone for the India's first state-funded BSL-4 Biotechnology Research Center in Nagar, Gujarat? MS Dhoni has been appointed as the brand ambassador of which cycling event? Bajaj Pune Grand Tour. Who won the gold medal in the women's long jump at the 85th All India Inter-University Athletics Championship in Mangaluru? Mubasina Muhammad. Pritam Singh, an Indian origin leader, was removed as the leader of the opposition in which country's parliament? Singapore. Which state launched the second phase of the Pidane de Pehdar scheme to curb drug trafficking? Punjab. Due to the medical emergency, astronauts of which NASA mission were called back to Earth prematurely? Crew 11. The Asola Bhatti Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state or UT? Delhi. Who has been appointed as the new Vigilance Commission in the Central Vigilance Commission? Praveen Vasishtha. Where is the world's largest green ammonia plant being developed in India? Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. Which state's sports university will host the first season of the Kabaddi Championship League starting from January 2026? Haryana Sports University of Haryana. Next, the central government celebrated the 10th anniversary of which initiative on 16 January 2026? Startup India. Who is the author of the book Tourism and the Soft Power Diplomacy Reflection of India's G20 Presidency? Dr. Aishwarya Singh Raikwar. Venezuela opposition leader Maria Corina Machado presented her Nobel Peace Prize medal to whom? Donald Trump. Indian announced to rupees $60 million aid for renovation of the Kansikanthurai port of which country? Sri Lanka. Former President Yono Sungelo sentenced to 5 years in the prison in the martial law case belongs to which country? South Korea. Where will Biennial Aviation Exhibition Wing India 2026 be held? Begumpet Airport, Hyderabad. Next, who became the first Indian woman to win a medal at the World Karate Series A? Alisha Chaudhary, bronze medal. Which newly raised Commander Battalion will be showcased for the first time in the Republic Day Parade 2026? Vairab Battalion. The joint military exercise in Spad Gambit 2006 was conducted between the United States and which country? Pakistan. Pulses and legumes imported from which country to have been subjected to 30% import duty by India, United States of America? Which Indian origin leader has been appointed as the US-led Gaza Border of Peace? Ajay Banga. Who has been re-elected as the president of Uganda for the 7th consecutive term? Yoweri Museveni. Who is the author of the Odar Mohan? Amrita Saha. Which state government announced the Semoji Ikakia Viruddha Classical Language Literature Award for the best worker in non-Hindi languages? Tamil Nadu. Which team won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2025-26 for the first time? Vidarbha. Who won the men's single title at the India Open Super 750 Badminton Tournament 2026? Li Junyi, Chinese Taipei. Where did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated a medium caliber ammunition manufacturing facility? Nagpur. Where is the name of the anti-terrorist operation launched by the Indian Army in Kishtwar district of Jammu Kashmir? Operation Tasti 1. Which state will launch a mass quantum skilling course in collaboration with IIT Madras and IIM Andhra Pradesh? In which city is the 86th All India Presiding Officers Conference AIPOC being held? Lucknow. who won the women's single title at the Indian Open Super 750 badminton tournament 2026 and say young. ओके ଆପଣ ଯେନ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଭଲ ଅଛି ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଲାଇକ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ତା ସହିତ ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି କିଛି ବି ବୁକ୍ କିଣା ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣମାନେ ଏଇ ନମ୍ବରରେ ମୋତେ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପ୍ କରିପାରିବେ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ପାଖରେ ଯଦି ଅଡା ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍ ଅଛି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ତାର ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାନ୍ସ ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣ ଯଦି 2 ବର୍ଷ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ କ୍ରାକ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ମୋ ପାଖେ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ସବୁ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ୍ ସେଠି ଅଛି। ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ୱାଇଫାଇ ନାଇନ୍ କୋଡ଼ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବେ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଡିସ୍କାଉଣ୍ଟ ପାଇବେ। ହେଲା କିଛି ଯଦି ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ଆପଣମାନେ ମୋତେ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ, ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖି ଦେଉଛି, ଆପଣମାନେ ସେ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ବି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିକି ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ। ଓକେ ଆଜି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଲାଇକ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବେ। थैंक यू सो मच।